Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of something new that I've got on Amazon, which is Rebecca Campbell and Daniel Noel artwork, and it's the Starseed Oracle, the 53 card deck and guidebook. So I opened so far this cellophane, and it comes in this beautiful box. On the side of it, it says the Starseed Oracle. Here it says activate your cosmic energy, come home to your soul. Here it says, have you always had a longing for home without really knowing what that meant? If so, you could be a starseed soul. This activating oracle will help you to unlock your soul gifts, connect your cosmic origins, and remember who you truly are. So here are these beautiful cards. We come in this box, and then let's remove this, and then it's really beautiful box. Let's open it. Here it is. So it has a box that has this shape, and inside it says your heart is a portal, because it is. And then inside it has cards, 53 cards, and also the book, small book. And then it says your heart is a portal inside. Very beautiful. Here is the booklet. So it says in English, because I ordered English version, but there are also different languages versions. Here is about authors, and here inside it says how to do it. So it has some Starseed Oracle attunement, and then it says reading for yourself and others, reading basic steps. And then this box can be a oracle box as technology, and you put cards like this on it, on these triangles. You can do just with one card, you can do 2 cards, 3 cards, 5 cards, 6 cards reading. Yeah, and then here are meanings of the cards. I still don't know them, it's new to me, but I will learn and read and do out, and let's see how it looks cards. Let's remove this, which is not easy with one hand. So here are the cards. Wow, one side looks like this, and inside looks like this, and they are really beautiful. I like the colors, pictures. They work on your imagination. So yes, here, let's put those cards here. Well, this one is really pretty. Wow, really nice. This one. Even in phone it looks better than in the reality. Maybe phone gives some saturation. Oh wow. Oh, beautiful they are. Wow. Can't wait to do it. To ask some questions and do the drawing. Very nice. Some are more vibrant than others. Some other ones are more pink tones and so cosmic. Some are earth related, some are more cosmic, or some are like between earths. Messenger. Perspective. Portal. The Seas of Mintaka. The 7 Star Sisters. Star Ancestors. Star Bathing. Star Brothers. Star Family. Wow, so many. Star Keepers. Surrender to the sweetness. Trust the timing. The void. Wait. Water your garden. We will have the whole weight of the world. Whale and orca elders. You got the love. Wow, this is nice. You are not alone. You are not for everyone. And last one is your life is a canvas. Pretty. So that's all I wanted to show you. And the other side looks like this. So yeah, that's my unboxing of Rebecca Campbell and Daniel Nova. The Starseed Oracle guidebook and 53 cards deck. Links will be down below.